Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create this screen poster trend video on TikTok. So let's go on, open our cat cup. So if you don't have this, you may download it to your App Store or your Play Store. And then on the search template, type for the screen poster template. So the second one, let's tap on it. And then there are a lot of options for you to use. So you can just choose any of these. So for example, these poster, and then tap that use template that you can see on the bottom right side of your phone, and then you can choose two pictures that you wish to use, so any pictures that is available on your gallery. So let's have this one, and then once you have the pictures, tap preview, so you'll be able to see how it looks like before exporting. Once that is final, then you can tap export that you can see on the upper right corner of your phone. So let's tap export and tap save and share to TikTok without CapCut watermark. So wait for it to be exported, and then you will be on your TikTok page, and then you can tap next, and then you can now post that to your TikTok. So that's easy to follow. And if this helps, please don't forget to give us a like and subscribe for more updates.